Is the first lecture of the Python, and Python was developed by a Dutch programmer in 1991. It is a high-level language, and Python has a design philosophy that emphasizes code readability. The syntax allows programmers to express concepts in the fewer lines of code than might be used in the language such as C++ and Java. So, why programming, Python programming? According to the IEEE spectrum, it is the top level programming in the year of 2019. The link is given below. You can also visit this link and you can observe that the which language is at rank number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this helps us in this way that we can get a skills and we can do things in the in this the programming era according to the language. We can develop our skills according to the things we are using in this digital world. Okay, why Python programming is important? Because it is easy to learn and use, and it's a simple syntax and a very accessible to programming devices, and will look similar to anyone with experience in MATLAB, C++, Java. Also, Python has a powerful libraries. Look this picture and you can observe if you know the programming and you can enjoy your life by sitting and you can do with your using your laptop anything sitting at your home. So if you know Python, so picture 3 is very clear and this gives you a message. Okay. Python, why Python programming is because it is free and there is no worry of buying the key and unethical use of the software. It is open and you can open source software you can download from the python.org and you can use it at sitting at your. Okay, these are the Python has vast development implementation. So these are the libraries. For example, we can use it graphic user interface, data science, Anaconda, and we have a SymPy, pandas for the data science, and matplotlib for the graphics. It's Arduino and Raspberry Pi. So OpenCV is a very powerful library for the image processing. So in this way we can use for the different implementations. So Python has powerful libraries like as MATLAB. Python has, for example, NumPy for the mathematics, SciPy, matplotlib for the graphics. So there are so many libraries in Python that those we can use for this. Who uses Python? These are the very big names in which in the backhand they use Python. So by learning Python, we can see videos or lectures from the Udemy, online lecture from the tutorials point. GitHub is very good for the different course and for the help or resources for the regarding the Python. YouTube videos. These are the other resources from we can learn the Python. Okay, in Python there is IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. By this file we can use for writing the syntax and highlight it and auto completion, smart intent. By using this file we can program our programming and we can use and we can run and we can view our result, or we can provide input to the program and we can view the output. So it is a shell window. Execute the command as the statement complete. User code written in the text editor window. So we can work on it in the next lecture, and I will show you that what is the ILD. So there are some commands. If we press Alt plus P to retrieve the previous command, Alt plus N to retrieve the next command. To get help, we can write help, and in this section you can find the different section for the relevant command. Okay, these are the resources. You can install latest Python 3.6x. You can download it from the python.org downloads. For the resources and learning things, as we discussed in the previous slide, that the Get is a very good platform where you can find the different resources learning regarding to the Python. So GitHub code school, from this website you can have a different course regarding the Python. You can download and use it, but maybe there are errors, so you can also sort the error, and you can use for according to your application, according to your requirement. So this was our first lecture, and from second lecture I will start the programming according to the data types. Okay, thank you so much.